We're going to be treating some of our plants with neem oil this morning, and I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks how you can apply this onto your plants for best effect and coverage. Neem oil is a brilliant organic pesticide that also has antifungal properties. It can be great used on a regular basis as part of your plant care routine to keep pests and critters off your plants and also keep fungus at bay. It's also strong enough to deal with full-on outbreaks. The really awesome thing about neem oil is that it's safe. It's friendly to beneficial wildlife like our bees and our butterflies, as its insecticidal properties are working against specific critters that cause damage to our garden plants, hence why we call them pests. And to put your minds at ease, it's also safe for us and our beloved pets. So we're going to apply our neem oil, and we're not going to overcomplicate it. It is dead simple, but these are a few tips and tricks that are involved that'll make that application a lot better. So first, and it kind of goes without saying, you're going to need some neem oil, and you can buy neem oil at your garden centre if you like being completely ripped off and laughed at. Don't worry, I did the same thing at the start. I spent €4 on a tiny little 10ml bottle like this. That didn't last really that long. I found it to be more convenient to buy it online. I buy mine out of convenience on Amazon. Cold pressed neem oil. Look, this cost me €15 last year compared to €4 or a 10ml bottle. So you decide for yourself what you think is better. Now this litre bottle's costing around €20, but it's still a massive bargain. Look how much I've used in the last year. I've got like 5 years left in this bottle. So awesome saving. I'll include some links in the description for your convenience. So you want to take your neem oil, a teaspoon, that's about 5ml of it, and add it to a litre or a quart of warm water. If you notice there, the neem oil is not mixing with the water because, well, it's an oil. So we need our dish soap, and you want to add about 5ml of dish soap, mild dish soap. I'm just going to put a few squirts in there like that. And that acts as an emulsifier, and that's going to help mix our neem oil together. See how the dish soap helps to emulsify that oil. So we're ready. Not only does the soap help to act as an emulsifier to be able to mix the oil and the water together, but it also acts to break the water tension. Have you ever seen when droplets of water hit a plant or fine hairs or a little insect and it just balls up? Well, that's the tension in the water, and when you add the soap, it breaks that so that the water completely covers and disperses around its object, whether it be an insect or a plant. And as an added bonus, well, soap is a really effective insecticide that's especially good at dealing with aphids and other soft-bodied pests. The soap helps to dissolve their waxy layer on their skin, causing the pests to dehydrate, and it also disrupts their metabolism. Honestly, neem oil and soap, I've rarely needed anything else to deal with pests in the garden. As you're spraying it on your plants, I like to just run my hands through the leaves a little bit, as if you're conditioning your long, luscious hair, you know, and it gives a lot better coverage. And the added benefit is because it's safe, then there's no danger to do so. Nice little lemons developing there. Make sure you're covering the whole plant under the leaf on top when you're running your hand through like that. That'll really help spread that neem oil effectively over the whole plant. Well, and there we are. There's not much more to it. If you was going to use neem oil as a preventative spray, then you would just use it at half the recommended dose that I mentioned in this video. Neem oil acts as a hormone disruptor, disrupting the life cycle of those little pesky critters, and also as an anti-feedant for pests that feed on plant leaves and other plant parts. It's effective against hundreds of garden pests, including spider mite, aphids, hard and soft scale, citrus fly, thrips. And then when you combine the neem oil along with a soap, wow, you've got a champion to be reckoned with, defending the honour and the virtue of your garden plants. Just to note, when you do apply neem oil, make sure you do it in the early hours of the morning or in the late evening when the sun is not at full strength, as you don't want to be burning the leaves of your plants. Do you want to know 4 more ways that you can deal with pests organically and naturally in your garden? Then make sure that you click on the video that's just about to pop up. If you want to support the channel, then make sure you hit the like button on this video to tell YouTube that you dig this content, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Channel memberships will be coming out as well in the future for those who are interested in the perks that will be connected with that. More on that in the future. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.